to HDFC Life's Conversations with the Young and Responsible. We've always heard of the term young and carefree. But if COVID 19 has taught us anything, it is that we need to be prepared for anything and everything that life throws in our direction. Today's millennials are understanding just that. And we know that the only way that we can be prepared is by being young and responsible. Being responsible begins with a single step. And my guests today have done just that. So let's find out what their journey entailed. Hello, everyone. My name is Tricia, and I will be your host for today. And today we have with us a duo that walks straight into our hearts with not only their extremely beautiful music, which is also very emotional, but they are a young and responsible couple themselves. Let's welcome them onto our screens, Sachet and Parampara Tandon. Hey, guys.
Hi.
Hi, Prisha. Thank you so much. It's lovely to be here with you and everyone.
Yeah, and a beautiful introduction as well.
But your
Yes.
music does that, no? It really goes straight to the heart. So just rewind a little bit. I was watching one of your interviews the other day, and correct me if I'm wrong, but I think it was Sachet who said it, that you two actually met when y'all had gotten rejected on a music show. And that's when the two of you met for the first time. Is that correct?
Yeah, it's correct. It happened in 2015 actually, and she
Correct.
was the girl winner, but I think she was also got eliminated. Third.
I think, I was the second runners-up and we all were finalists. But yes, we almost reached the finale, but we both got rejected. We both didn't win the show.
Exactly. And that's why I actually started with that, because I felt that when a couple, especially, has gone through a moment like this together and you've been put in a position of adversity, then it's like you tell the universe, bring anything in our direction. Yeah, we both got each other. We know how to make it happen and we know how to overcome anything.
Yes, actually, that's why we didn't realize that the kind of bond that we had, uh, the relationship, the way it was turning throughout. I mean, as the years were passing by, कि वो कैसे change होते जा रहा है, the trust that we were building into each other. All of that happened very suddenly. I mean, it was, you didn't get to know that it was very, it was, क्या कहते हैं, क्या कह सकते हैं उसको, कि बहुत आराम से हुआ. You didn't realize that something was happening.
It all happened actually.
Naturally.
कुछ forced नहीं था, but it all happened.
That's
with the flow. We went with the flow and it all happened.
And that's actually the best way to happen. And the flow went so well that congratulations, you guys got married in the middle of a pandemic. How was that?
That's the biggest achievement in life, if you get the right partner for yourself who understands you. Of course, yes, it was the biggest achievement.
How has life changed since then? And now being a young couple, living together, is it like this very harmonious, chilled life? Or is there like a lot of jugalbandi that is taking place? Because with marriage, the dynamics change.
Yes and no, both actually.
Yes, life has changed. And,
more than actually change, it's an enhancement, you would say. कि enhancement हुई है, and first the days are dynamic. As married husband and wife now, things are slightly different. Your schedule is slightly changed. We're waking up to each other and we are discussing the whole day, how we want to take the whole day further, what we want to do. We plan our day in advance because of course we're 24/7 together. We work, we are living together, so of course that's a big advantage and we feel very fulfilled that we've got all the time in the whole world for each other and the work that we do.
But that is what is called now the perfect balance also. And when you all got married, I've always noticed that money can sometimes be a very weird subject. मैं अपने मम्मी पापा को भी देखती हूँ, and sometimes after like 40 years of them being married, I still see them like arguing over like, a money thing, कि like you said we'll do this or you said we'll do that, and we know how it is. घर पे कैसे होता है, मतलब हम सबको पता है. Did it like ever come in the way, or what is, rather I'll rephrase that, is that what are y'all doing now to figure that subject out harmoniously between the two of you?
See, from my past experience, actually, I have genuinely realized how important the word planning is in life. It is very, very important because I've been in few environments, I've been in few situations where the elders at my home, they were not as planned, or they didn't think that planning was as important. But जैसे जैसे बड़े होते गए, you realize that oh, we wish we could plan for this, oh, we wish we could save for this. एक ऐसा होता है because every day is a big up and down. आज कुछ situation है, कल कुछ situation है, परसों कुछ भी हो सकता है. There are happy days, there are sad days. So for at least वो sad के लिए एक होता है experience. I mean कि काश ऐसा होता that हम save कर पाते हैं, ऐसा कुछ.
तो काश की situation ही नहीं आनी चाहिए. We should be prepared and for all odds.
Because nowadays, both the partners are working. Of course, there is better chances that you can save for your future, for your family, for your loved ones. So it is a great, great thing to be, thinking about your loved ones also, the future, all of that. Yes, it's very important.
So दोनों के बीचों में who is the planner and who is like the spender? Is it there or is there a balance?
I think I'm the spender, I'm the planner.
अच्छा दोनों.
मेरा तो नहीं आ रहा है.
I think कल्चर नेगेटिव.
अब तुमने बता ही दिया तो फिर कोई मतलब ही नहीं है.
No, actually pandemic ने इतना दिखा दिया ना कि spender वाला scene अभी थोड़ा हो गया, because you don't know what happens there. I mean, spending without any reason is not cool. Because you have to take care of your loved ones, and you have to make sure that there's surplus with you. You have money in right places. So spending का भी थोड़ा है because, but yes, planning तो दोनों मिलके ही करते हैं.
There's a lot of first steps that couples take, especially when they are newly married. And HDFC Life has just launched this campaign of theirs, Young and Responsible. So what are the first big steps that both of you have taken to protect your loved ones?
Actually, yes, many people know. I think everybody knows that we got married in pandemic. It was very unexpected, but it was pandemic. People were, really, the conditions were really bad in the country. But fortunately, we could be there, for each other. We had each other's back. So this is what we promised when we got married, that we will take care of each other. Because now that we are dependent emotionally, everything, in 360 degree, we are dependent on each other. So we just promised each other to be really responsible in future for each other and for our family. So we actually thought that, after marriage, the first thing which would be very important for us would be to plan for future. Because what we have seen, and in the industry that we belong to,
faced all these issues during the pandemic.
Yeah.
So हम लोग को भी वो मद्देनजर रखते हुए हम लोग को भी ये ध्यान में रखना बहुत जरूरी था कि कैसे हम लोग सिक्योर कर सकते हैं अपना भी फ्यूचर. एंड ये सारी चीजें सब अनसर्टेन है. So for that, protection is important. For that, investment is important. For that, planning is important.
And for that, being there for each other is also very important.
Do you have any advice that you would like, something that you want to share from your personal experience that you probably would like to give other young and responsible couples out there?
Hi guys, so we just want to say, we Sachit and Parambara just want to say this to you guys, that being young is cool, but being responsible is even more cool. Be responsible, stay happy, and keep your family safe.
All right, thank you both so much for being here with us today. I'm sure that your fans have truly benefited from this conversation. और मुझे लगता है कि जितने भी young लोग यहाँ पे हैं, especially those that believe that yes, we are young and yet we are very responsible, they have also got an idea of what it is like to be a couple and to be a harmonious couple, making it all come together and work. Thank you both so much.
Thank you so much for having us.
Thank you so much. It was lovely talking to you.
Some of our pointers will work for the couples also and for all any other individual.
Well, ladies and gentlemen, like they say that the best way to deal with responsibility of tomorrow is to tackle it today. And I truly believe, especially with this conversation that we just had with Sacheth and Parampara, maturity, it doesn't come with age. It comes with the acceptance of responsibility. Because after all, one can forever be young and always responsible. And for all my audience members who are watching out there, do you think that you are as young and responsible as them? If your answer is yes, then it's time for you to prove it by using HDFC Life's Young and Responsible filter on Instagram. And don't forget to tag at HDFC Life because you will get a chance to be featured as well. My name is Prishya. I'll see you very soon. Take care. And of course, remember, Sar utha ke jiyo.